Hello and welcome to CVS Automotive and Cambridge Car Audio. My name is Ardil and I'm really proud to introduce another one of our install videos to you guys. So this is an install we've carried out on the brand new Range Rover SVR. This video is rather cool because basically we're one of the first people in the UK, bearing the date of the video, to install this module into this car. So an absolutely phenomenal system. It adds great benefits to this particular vehicle. So if you're looking at an SVR or any Range Rover with this new 10.2 inch touchscreen in there with the dual system, which I'll show you in a second, if you're looking at this car in particular, it doesn't have an integrated reversing camera or integrated front camera, feel free to get in touch with us. All our work gets carried out in our bespoke workshop facilities, which are behind me in Cambridge. We work on behalf of local main dealers, so if you get in touch with your local Range Rover dealer in Cambridge, which is Marshall's, they'll be happy to give you all the details for this particular system, and they'll have access to this video as well. So the system itself has basically gone through into the touchscreen system. Really cool features and benefits as well. I'm going to show you the front camera so you can see exactly what we're talking about in terms of how it's going to look and feel and the image quality that you're going to get. So for more details, feel free to get in touch with us. Our contact number is 01223 56 30 30. Get in touch and we'll be happy to provide you a quote and all the details you need to see if we can integrate a solution into your particular vehicle. So if you want to follow me, I'm going to show you the actual camera itself. So the main thing with all our installations is that there is no visible wires at all. So this is an absolutely stunning bumper. Love the carbon fibre on it as well. What we've got below this beam here underneath the SVR badge is what's called a ProFit front camera. Looks really discreet. If you were looking at the car, you wouldn't really be able to tell that wasn't a factory system. Really neat as well, and the image quality as well, which will show you on the screen, is rather good as well. So that's the actual camera. We're going to pop inside the vehicle now. So as you can see here on this screen, you've got a lovely SVR logo that pops up as soon as you get in the car, which is a really nice touch. So this is the screen that we're talking about. As you get in the car, it can rotate and pull towards you to get the right viewing angle for you. You've got the main screen here, and then you've got all your climate control, your settings and things like that down below. So what we're going to do is we're just going to start up the vehicle. And as we've got here, you've got your main, your navigation, your media, which is a really nice entertainment system. On this particular vehicle, we also do quite a few audio upgrades as well, so above the Meridian system as well. So if you're interested in something like that, we can upgrade that too. So what we're going to do is just going to show you how the reversing camera works. So when you select reverse, you get the factory rear camera. And what we're going to do is we're just going to pop it into drive. The way we've set this up is for 9 seconds. So this will stay live while you're in drive for 9 seconds and then revert back to the factory screen. So this is really mainly used to go through and show you the front of the car if there's anything obstacles in the way. One cool thing as well, so if you are driving along and you think something's in front of the car at all, there's a little button that we mounted right near the start button. So really discreet as well, which is just at the top. What we're going to do, we're going to press it once, press it twice, and as you can see here, we've got the image. This is now while we're in drive, and you can have this on as you're driving along. So it fills the whole screen, which is really nice, and then one more click to revert back to the factory screen. Again, so it's reverse, and the way it pops through is when you go straight into drive, it then pops on there for 9 seconds. We can alter that, we can change that to 11 seconds or 7. It's up to you, depending on how you want the system set up. But the 9 seconds is the way we normally go to, because it's a nice amount of time and it flicks back straight away. So a really OEM looking system. What we're going to do is just pop back out. So for more details on how we can upgrade your Range Rover SVR, feel free to get in contact with us. Contact number for you guys again is 01223 56 30 30. Thank you very much for watching our short video.